Alright, so this is what you get once it comes into the mail. Of course, I made the line, I already kind of marked it out. Drill my hose that matches the bolts in where you're going to install it at. So on my YXZ, it is 5 7/8 from center to center on the hole. Now I have a piece of aluminum. I'm gonna just kind of put it on the top right here, which is if you saw it on the other side. Just kind of hold it down like so, instead of just having the two little screws. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and this material, it's pretty, you want it to be flimsy, you want it to kind of, not be flimsy, but be strong. I used it before my rally car, so I already know it's pretty durable, it's gonna work. So, alright, so I marked it, already measured how much I want it. Now you can leave it, you kind of cut around and leave it, but I didn't want that, and I wanted it so far away from the ground. So I'm cutting mine at 2 1/4. Oh my god, 12 1/4. Again, cuts very easy. You cut it with scissors. This, I put it to the side. I might use it one other day for something else. A piece of aluminum I cut. Gonna take it on the back. Mark it out. There's a little groove on the plastic in the YZ where I gotta trim this. Go. This would be installed like so. Alright, I'm going to try to move this to the back and show you how I'm going to install this. Alright, we're removing the two 10mm bolts where I'll be putting the DIY mud flaps on. I have some nerve bars, so I could use the ratchet with extension, but it's not in the way. This little bore. Now you don't have to put the piece of aluminum. I did just to make it a little stronger, and if you could cut it, make it come out to here, and bolt in here is fine, but since I just cut it even, it was kind of flapping out a little bit, and I didn't like that, so that's why I put the piece of aluminum. I already had a piece of aluminum in my garage, so it was free to do. You could use let's say like a piece right here, a thicker, or even double up you know, like a piece of harder plastic, or is this something to keep it from bending? And two, the aluminum is going to help with the clamping to keep it on better. And there's the two screws of the washers. But I did get this piece of aluminum. I think it was 1/8 inch from Lowe's, which was, I don't know, for a 4-foot piece was like $3. Alright, and there's the finished product on it. Came out pretty good. I'll take you off the tripod and kind of walk around. Alright, there you go. Like I said, I could have came up, cut it. So this is what it looked like if I wouldn't have cut it off. This is how big it is when it comes in the factory dimensions. Like, you could have seen right there, you could have kept it and notched it out, but I didn't do that. So for $20 with, you know, $2 shipping, it's not half bad. There's the other one. Now they're red, there's blue, white. I'm not sure about the other color. There you go. Hope you'll enjoy. And nice simple fix. Took me 30 minutes even with video in. So thank y'all for watching.